hit something.
His foot.
Oh, be careful.
Whee! Come on, ready? Put your hand up here. Whee! Oh, the motorcycle wheel! Oh, the motorcycle wheel! Don't push your brother, let him be.
Why?
Because you're going to make him fall and cry. You love making him fall and cry.
Let me hold you. Daddy, big Will.
Will! Tyler, be nice to your brother, please.
Tyler, no. No! No, we don't try again because I don't know that the... yeah, let's stop that game, okay? We don't know if the overalls will work. Oh, you want to get off? Oh, Daddy, look at him get off. It's the first time I've ever seen Daddy move so fast. Tyler! Don't do that. He's trying to get you to pick him up by his... Whoa! Oh, I'm glad you're happy now. Go on, Tyler, ride around on your motorcycle. Tyler. I wonder if you're going to jump in Will's crib that quick when he wakes up from a nap. Show us how you walk, buddy.
Mom, Daddy, it's our motorcycle, Daddy.
He just sits there and takes it. Really, Tyler? You gotta pulverize your brother? Come on, Drum.
Good job, buddy. Come back this way. Tyler, back up, buddy.
Go the other way.
Back up. Drive into the living room.
Can you go that way?
Show us how you drive around the
Show
house.
me that way. Okay, listen. Go. Let me see how fast you can go.
You lead the parade.
It was like Frankenstein.
Remember, Tyler used to walk like Frankenstein. You wanted to dress him up as Frankenstein for Christmas, for Halloween last year. He's drifting around corners now.
Ready? Put your feet up.
Oh,
Why don't you use the pedals, pal? Come here, look, do this. Come here. Look, use the pedals. Look.
Will. He was trying to use the pedals today, but he's just a little too short.
Gotta move you up, huh?
Will, where are you going?
Now? Man, push. Ready? Push.
Yay!
No?
Wow, is that a happy? Daddy, get out of the way. Can we get Will out of the bathroom? He just went around the corner.
No, he's going after the yellow balloon.
Tyler!
He's stopping.
Do we need